welcome back. Today I'm gonna do an unboxing. Oh my gosh, another one. This is like the third one I unboxed from Glamily. It's an app where you post makeup tutorials. I've seen the girls put like skincare videos, hauls, different little beauty things. It's not necessarily for makeup tutorials. I mean, it is meant for just makeup, but you know, these girls put different things there, and you get points by posting those videos, and that's how you get free makeup, and you get to choose what you want. There's usually different options. They keep changing. They add different things, and especially right now they're adding Christmas things, so I got excited and I got all the Christmas things instead of makeup palettes, because I was waiting to get other ColourPop palettes, but yeah, no, I love Christmas. I couldn't not just get a Christmas stuff this month. I forgot. ¿Qué iba a decir? So yeah, oh yeah, and you don't necessarily have to win or get points by uploading makeup tutorials. You can just do it by entering like a certain product that you want. There's like a certain tab where it gives you options like, okay, whichever product you want, you can apply for it, and then you have people vote for you, and the one with the most votes win. So that's another one. So that's another way you can win free makeup from them. The other way is what else? Oh yeah, on their Instagram page they have a lot of giveaways. They always have giveaways you can enter from them, and girl, it's easy, free makeup, and don't miss out. It's fun. I mean, you're basically getting free products by doing makeup. It's so simple. Or for entering giveaways. So y'all can use my code if y'all want. Y'all don't have to sign up when y'all download the app. But if not, it's okay. I don't care. Whatever y'all like. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna start opening the box. So it came. Siempre se me olvida. Sorry, it always happens. It came with this box. Okay, like this. And yesterday I opened it. I didn't look through it. I just opened it and I saw an extra item. I don't know if it was me that forgot I chose, or it's a special thing they added. So this, I remember, this is a headband, a reindeer headband. Girl, I was so excited because this is gonna be used for my reindeer Christmas makeup look. It comes like this. Okay. Let me get it out. Wow. Oh wait, what is this? Oh, it's the tag. Whoa, it's dusty. Y'all see that? I don't know what that is. Oh no. Okay. So it's tight, but not really. It's like a good fit. I hope it fits. Let me try it on. Sorry, my head is oily. I don't know how to put it on. I guess like that. It's just like a regular headband. But I don't want to use it for like regular everyday, just for Christmas looks. I don't want to get it dirty. So yeah, that's how it looks. It fits, but it feels like it's falling at the same time. Okay, let me put it here. Okay, the second thing is, let me put my beanie on. Who is this? Y'all see that? Oh, you know. Okay. The second thing is this box. Okay, it comes with a cute ribbon. It doesn't say what it is. I always hate that I have to take the ribbon off because I don't know how to put it back to make it look cute like that. Oh, but I still collect them. Look, they're like here randomly. There's others. Okay. Taking forever. Okay, there. Let's see. Oh yeah, these are the Christmas earrings I chose. They have a different Christmas earrings. I got these. Okay, I took them out of the box. They're dangling earrings. This one's a Christmas tree with a Christmas star, and this one a star with the candy cane. Chill, bro. No se queda. Alright. That. So I chose these because I want to do Christmas trees. I want to do candy cane looks. I want to do different kinds of looks. So these will match perfectly with if I do Christmas tree look or if I do a candy cane look. As opposed to getting one Christmas tree earring, one candy cane earring, one reindeer earring. I could, but it's gonna take forever to rack up those points to get all of those. So I was trying to mix and match, get a variety, but with fewer products, if I make sense. Because it's still kind of hard to get points, but not really. It's just have to post actively to get the more points. And yeah, and enter giveaways. Okay, so this is the third box. This one's different. They usually come with purple boxes. This one's different. This is like a sparkly navy blue one. Oh, it's because I think these are only for jewelry and this is for something else. Let me see. I don't know. I'm just making stuff up. I don't know. So, okay, yeah. These are the hairpins I got. This is the first time I get hairpins from them. I usually just get jewelry, yeah, or makeup. So I got excited when I saw those because they're gingerbread. I was like, they're cute. They came in two. So this is how it looks. It's the same one for the other. This is the back. So I'm thinking of putting one here and then another here whenever I do the gingerbread look. Yeah, that's it. Or two in the same side. I don't know. But yeah, that's what I was planning to use it for. Okay, and the last thing that I don't remember getting. I just remember getting those three things. It's probably an extra thing. I don't know. Let me open it. Oh, especially for you. Alright. I think I broke it. If not, I don't know. I got scared. So this is how it looks. Is it candy? What is it? Guess. If y'all guess right, y'all are gonna get this for free. Okay, I'm gonna ship it to y'all. Ooh, is this chocolate or is this real chocolate or fake? What? I didn't think I was gonna get free chocolate, free food. I didn't even know that was available there. That's weird. What? I don't know if it's I'm scared to even eat it if it. Oh no, it's a magnet. I'm so dumb. I thought it was actual chocolate at first. No wonder. I was like, why is it not packaged? Like, it's just by itself. I was a little hesitant of eating it if it was real. So that's cool, but I don't know what to do with this. Like, no. I'm sorry, Glamily, but I mean, oh yeah, I guess for the fridge, but for this kind of cool though, but I'm not gonna use it. I wish it was a pair of earrings, hair clips, something else, not this. But this is, this can be like an ornament for the Christmas tree. And then you open it and you see magnets. Imagine you think it's something special like a ring or engagement ring. Imagine. No, it's a freaking magnet. Is this chocolate or buttered? I don't know. I guess this a meatball. No, this is a chocolate. I don't know. But thanks anyways. And yeah, that's it. That's all I got this month. I saw other palettes that I wanted. They're adding the Makeup Revolution palettes like a lot. There was 2 friends one, and I was like, oh, I want one, but I still need to rack up more points to get those palettes. Maybe next month or next year. I don't know. Who knows? We'll see. But yeah, for this one, I just wanted Christmas things. So that's all I got. Oh yeah, and these I also got from them, but months ago. It was like summer thing. And I was like, I'm gonna save them for Christmas, and it's already here. It's crazy. So I'm gonna show y'all is these Snowflake earrings. I already showed y'all in other videos. If y'all want more info about Glamily, just look at my old videos, and I go more in depth there. So yeah, I'll link it in the description as well. And this is a red heart necklace. This is perfect for Christmas, Valentine's Day, or your birthday, or any special occasion. That's why I got it. I'm gonna use it for all my Christmas looks as well. So I'm pretty much set for the Christmas accessories for my Christmas looks. I probably get more, I don't know, who knows, but yeah, that's all I have for this video. I hope y'all like it. So yeah, thank you, bye.